Now let us study about the preparation of hydrogen by the action of alkalis on metals. Children, metals such as lithium, sodium and potassium are called alkali metals. The hydroxides of this metal such as sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, OH group, and the last OH, okay, these are called the alkali. Metals such as zinc react with this alkali, thereby forming sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. In the same way, here you can see lead react with sodium hydroxide, thereby forming sodium plumbite and hydrogen gas. So I hope this is very clear to you, the preparation of hydrogen gas. So we read about the three methods: by the action of water and steam on metals, by the action of dilute acid on metals, and by the action of alkalis on metals, how we can produce hydrogen gas. Now let us study about the industrial method of preparation of hydrogen by the process of electrolysis of water. So children, let us understand what is electrolysis. Electrolysis is the process in which when electric current is passed through the acidulated water, it dissociates into hydrogen and oxygen. Here in this diagram you can see this process of electrolysis is carried out in this electrolytic cell or the electrolytic vessel, which is made up of glass, and two electrodes are taken. One is anode and the other is cathode, and here water is taken. This water, okay, if we are taking distilled water, then we add 2-3 drops of acid to it. As you know that pure water, that is distilled water, is a non-conductor of electricity, as it does not have any free ions in it. Therefore, acid is added to this water. Okay, water is acidified, so which help it to the water to dissociate into free ions. Okay, and hence it can conduct electricity. Hydrogen gas is collected at the cathode, that is the negative electrode, and oxygen is collected at the anode, that is the positive electrode. By this method of electrolysis, hydrogen gas is prepared in large scale. Now let us study about the laboratory method of preparation of hydrogen. How hydrogen is prepared in laboratory by the action of dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid on granulated zinc. Okay, here in the diagram given you can see few zinc granules. They are placed at the bottom of this flat bottom flask. Okay, and we have fixed a cork here which has two holes in the mouth. Okay, then what do? We place a thistle funnel here. We fix a thistle funnel here, and in the another hole we fix a delivery tube. Hydrochloric acid is added by the help of this thistle funnel. You can see this is the thistle funnel. Okay, hydrochloric acid is added through this thistle funnel on this granulated zinc. Okay, then we observe the following reaction. When granulated zinc react with hydrochloric acid, it produces zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Bubbles of hydrogen gas are seen. Here you can see bubbles of hydrogen gas are seen at the bottom of this flask, and then what happens? This hydrogen gas, you know, it is very lighter gas, then it passes through this delivery tube, and then again just it is collected in the gas jar by the downward displacement of water. See, this hydrogen